Running through the grocery haul in no particular order, we got Brussels sprouts, ground chicken, strawberry lemonade, pasta, garbanzo beans, lentils, bananas, 2 things of spinach, cantonelli beans, cream cheese, Japanese golden curry, 2 of these little snacky things, flour tortillas, salsa verde, cumin, lots of beans. We are like out of beans. Tortilla chips, shallots, lemons, cilantro, sour cream, strawberries, the tiniest bag of cauliflower, green onion, little gem lettuce, carrots, salsa, tofu, frozen chopped kale, chicken thighs, Monterey Jack cheese, sage, eggs, and for baby, we have yogurt, applesauce, Burt's Bees, healing ointment, almond butter to try as an allergen, and then this. And this was $128, which included the $7 delivery tip.